Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell where you'll be notified of the new videos that I do all about making money online, money making systems and strategies. Normally about maybe 2 to 3 videos a week that I do all about making money online. So if you're looking to looking for a side hustle, make some extra income, make a little bit of money or full-time income online, then this is the channel for you. So please don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. Right, let's get right into this video, which is how you can make money online teaching English. Now you may have thought that you need actually a degree in English or a qualification in teaching a foreign language or something like that, teaching English as a foreign language, should I say. And that's not really the case. There are a lot of websites out there which you will need some qualification, and I'll go into that a little bit later. But I'm just trying to focus on some of the websites where you don't need certain qualifications. You can just basically apply as is. So let's get on to the first one, which is called VIP Kid. And this one, as you can see, you can earn $14 to $22 an hour from the comfort of your home. And that is the beauty about teaching English online. You can have just one-to-one lessons. You'll be doing something like that, or you may be doing small groups, maybe 4 or 5. These could be adults, they could be young children, maybe 5-year-olds from China. They could be adults from Korea or Japan or Brazil. It could be anywhere, and you may get a real mixture even in one day. So you're basically teaching English to these students all over the world just in one day, and that's the beauty of this money making opportunity. It's so flexible. If you wanted a week off, you'll have a schedule, but if you wanted a week off, you can schedule that, and you can basically do this from anywhere. You could take your computer probably to your local park and conduct your lessons from there if you wanted. It's that good, and the pay is quite competitive as well, at $14 to $22 an hour with this VIP Kid website. So you can just see here, teach whenever you want on your own schedule and work in your own time. No minimum hour requirement. So obviously the more work you do, the more you will be paid. No lesson planning. We provide the lesson plan with our best in-class curriculum. You just focus on the teaching side of it, and obviously competitive pay. And you can see what some of the teachers think here. I'd always look at the terms and conditions or the questions and answers, and what is the application process to teach with VIP Kid. And all you have to do is create an account with VIP Kid, fill out an online application form, complete a short demo lesson that will show them your actual English standard, and our teams will review it, and if you show that you have the necessary skills, you'll hear from us. Then you would review material and VIP Kids curriculum, teaching standards and the technology requirements, obviously microphone and computer and your internet connection. And then you will teach a mock class with a current VIP Kid teacher to prepare you for teaching. So you'll have a little bit of a practice, get your standards up to a certain level before you start. And once everything goes through fine, you will complete your profile and sign your VIP Kid contract. And then you're ready to start teaching and filling up your schedule as is. It's as simple as that. So it doesn't mention anything about degrees with VIP Kid. Let's look at the next one, Cambly. And they pay $10.20 an hour. And up to $12 an hour on the Cambly Kids. Tutor anytime and anywhere, like I mentioned. And you're making a difference in people's lives. You are making a global impact. And that's the beauty of teaching English online. It can be so rewarding when you're teaching, especially young children, just giving them a platform to learn. And this is the important part here. Tutoring English with Cambly is fun and rewarding. No teaching certificate, bachelor's degree, or prior teaching experience needed. So you can see you don't need any of that to make money teaching English online. And the next one is Ripe App. You can see here they obviously do lots and lots of different languages: Spanish, French, German lessons. Obviously they will do English, Portuguese. If you scroll down to the bottom and click on the Teach link, make money teaching at home, and you can earn up to $2,000 a month and get started. Welcome to Ripe Teacher application. Teach the world your gift. Create your own working hours. Work anywhere you want in the world. There are 3 basic steps to teach at Ripe. Basic, qualification, application. That's only basic. Video recording, review, and then you start teaching. It's as simple as that. So that was Ripe. I'll leave all the links to these websites below. And this one's a little bit different. This is Lingoda. And if you scroll down here, where it says, what qualifications do I need? And to become a teacher with Lingoda, you need to have a C2. And now a C2 is a high level English qualification. They do a C1 and then a C2. And you'll see, I find a lot of these websites require a C2, not those that I've just shown you there, but if you wanted to take this more seriously and get qualified, then you would really ideally need to do your C1 first and then your C2 examination, and I'll go into more of that in a minute. And a certificate to teach your chosen language as a foreign language, at least 2 to 3 years of valuable teaching experience. I mean, the 2 to 3 years but is a little bit vague, really. You get plenty of websites which will give you an opportunity once you've proven that your English is up to a certain standard. So let's look at this C2 here. There's a website here called Exam English for Free, where you can do a lot of these level C1 and level C2 examinations for free. And you just basically sign up and you just go through this. As it says here, they would prefer you to do your level 1 first before you move on to level 2. And obviously you'll get a qualification for your level 1, and obviously the important one, which is level 2. But have a look at this website, examenglishforfree.com, where you can actually do these courses. There are lots of other places on the internet where you can do a C1 and a C2. You don't need to go physically to a classroom. This is all online learning. So this is basically, if you did start doing it with like VIP Kid or Cambly, where you don't need any qualifications, and you enjoyed it, you will probably be able to make more money once you get certified with the actual recommended C2 level of speaking English. But that's it for today. Just have a look at these websites. If you're interested in teaching online, if your standard of English is fairly good, then why not? We've got a little bit of spare time. Why not make some money teaching English? $14 to $22 an hour is not so bad, isn't it? Where you have your own schedule and you can actually meet some interesting people from all over the world, adults and children, and can be very, very rewarding. That is it for this quick video, a little bit of a quick video today, but quite interesting really. I hope you enjoyed that. Now, if you're interested in making some serious money online, and then I have been involved in affiliate marketing for over 20 years now, and I focus generally these days on high ticket affiliate marketing, which is making $1,000 plus commissions, $500 plus commissions in some cases, but plus $1,000 and more. If you're interested in making that level of money in high ticket affiliate marketing, I've done a free course, a 90-minute course with 3 videos which you can watch at your leisure. If that's of interest to you, you will see the link in the description. Completely free, 100% free, and you're welcome to join me on that if you want to make some serious money online promoting high ticket affiliate marketing products as an affiliate. So that's it for today. Thank you again for your time. Please, again, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. and you'll be notified of any new videos that we do, about two a week, something like that we do. But thank you for your time today. My name is Mark Anthony, and I will see you in the next money making video. Take care, look after yourself. Bye for now.